Hello friends! Today, we will be learning about some emergency vehicles, such as fire truck, ambulance, police car, and what they are used for. So, let's get started. Fire truck, also known as fire engine. A fire truck is a specially designed vehicle to put out fires. Fire trucks are used worldwide to transport firefighters and firefighting equipment, such as fire extinguishers, hoses, oxygen tanks, ladders, axe, shovel, chainsaw and much more. Fire trucks come in different shapes and sizes. Each designed for fighting a specific type of fire, such as house fire.
Oh no!
Building fire.
Whoa!
Forest fire.
Oh no!
And airplane fire.
Cool!
Fire trucks also help with rescue efforts in case of emergencies, such as car accidents, medical emergencies, and rescuing people and animals in emergency situations. Fire truck has a cab for the driver and other firefighters, flashing lights and sirens, ladders, and lots of different types of equipment. Fire trucks use the emergency lights and sirens to get to fire scene at very high speeds. Ambulance. Wow! An ambulance is a vehicle designed to provide urgent medical care on site, and to transport patients to the hospital. An ambulance is also used to transport paramedics and emergency medical equipment to the scene.
Cool!
Ambulances come in different shapes and sizes.
Wow!
But they all have one thing in common, which is to help patients in emergency situations. Ambulances use emergency lights and sirens to get to patients quickly, or to transport them to the hospital very quickly. An ambulance has a cab for the driver, a patient's compartment in the back, a rear door, and lots of flashing lights all around. Police car.
Wow!
A police car has many names, such as patrol car, cop car, police cruiser, and squad car.
Cool!
Police cars come in many different shapes and sizes. Police car uses emergency lights and sirens to transport police officers to a service call.
Oh no!
Transport bad guys to police station, or to patrol the streets. Police cars are ordinary vehicles designed to go very fast.
Wow! Cool!
Because sometimes, police cars are used to chase after speeding drivers at very high speeds.